We're going on adventure for the first time.
For this cruise, we had to take a short flight from Orlando to Nassau because right now, cruises aren't sailing from the United States.
We are currently at the British Colonial Hilton here in Nassau to do Royal Caribbean's check-in, the COVID test that's required, as well as any security process before we get on the boat.
We have to wear a mask at check-in, but once we're on the ship, we shouldn't have to wear the mask ever again because everyone is vaccinated and has been tested. So we dropped our bags off at the hotel here, and now we're in line to get the COVID test. Okay, we just got our test, and now we're in this waiting room, and we have to wait 15 minutes before we can move forward. They actually checked us in during this waiting period while the test is going. And what was funny is they split us up for the test, so we couldn't find each other. We couldn't text each other because there's no network here.
Yeah.
But anyway, we found each other.
We reunited, we checked in, now we're just waiting on our test to confirm that we can get on board.
So we actually have to wait for an email, and I just got mine.
And I'm still waiting.
It's been funny because people have been cheering when people get the negative results on their email, so maybe it'll happen to us.
I can't wait for our cheers. I feel like I've won the lottery.
I know. Okay, so now we're all checked in. Now we have to go take a shuttle to the pier. Okay, we got all checked in and we got our negative results. So now we're on a shuttle from the hotel to the pier. We're on the first shuttle.
We are. We're gonna be like literally the first 10 people.
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
I think we're gonna be like the 5th and 6th people on the ship.
It's insane.
In 15 months.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, we just got off the bus. We're here. I'm so happy that we passed our negative test. The energy is amazing. Everyone's freaking out. Everyone's cheering. It's like
clapping, dancing, cheering.
Yeah. Oh my god. There's the first people. They're Pinnacle members, which is so hard to get. That's like 700 cruise points.
Thank you.
700 nights at sea those people have. They deserve to be first on.
I feel like we need to bow.
Welcome aboard. Let's enjoy it.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Oh my god, look at the promenade.
They got out here.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. I don't like the font of adventure, but that's fine.
So normally on a cruise ship, you have to wait for your room to be ready, but because we're the first ones on and no one has been on this ship before us, we're going right to our room.
Oh my gosh.
Let's check out the view. This is a big balcony. Wow.
A little wet because it just rained this morning.
Oh yeah, it was pouring this morning. So I'm actually probably not going to go out there right now.
This is a great room.
This is a junior suite. The junior suite was only like a couple $100 more than the regular balcony, so we did that, and we're getting quadruple cruise points because of it, because they're doing double points right now and then double on top of that if you're in a junior suite.
I tested negative and I'm vaccinated.
Looks like they gave us some hand sanitizer and a mask. And what's in there?
Cookies!
Okay, I want to go to the Windjammer.
Oh, whoa!
Okay, we don't have to wear masks anymore.
You guys can see our faces.
Yeah, you can see our faces now. So we're heading up to the Windjammer, if we can find it, to see what the buffet is like with the new rules. So they have this cool screen that shows you where things are. So it's right behind us, so.
Let's walk right here.
Oh, here we go. I think we're the first people to come here.
Yeah. Should we get a salad?
I don't want a
I
salad.
want a salad. Thank you. Maybe 2 more? Thank you so much.
I'll get some of those too, yeah. So the buffet is pretty much the same. You just tell them what you want, and instead of you touching the thing, they touch it. Okay, we got our seat here right by the window. This is amazing. We're the first guests here. Everyone is so excited.
Like, they cheered for us when we came in.
Yeah.
They, like, when we approached to get food, they were like so happy. When we sat down, they're so happy.
Yeah.
Like,
I just want to eat this food and then just go look around the ship and check out the top. And some tables are reserved.
for physical distancing.
Yeah. Feels good. Now we're just kind of checking out the ship for the first time.
Yeah.
We don't know exactly what it is, but we heard that the ship is only at like 50% capacity. We believe that's what it is, but we'll try to figure that out.
Yeah, we'll confirm.
Yeah. But that's just another thing that's going to make this sailing even cooler.
Oh, so ugly.
So far, there's like no one here.
Nobody is here. Like, we're getting VIP treatment.
Yeah.
We are alone on this cruise ship.
We went down to the promenade and we had some Wi-Fi questions and drink package questions, and like
Nobody was here.
Like we were the first people that they saw. Like,
Yeah, we made best friends with the bartender and the Wi-Fi guy. Like, every person at guest services was available to talk to us.
The other thing is the check-in process takes a while. So people are still probably in those huge lines and waiting for the results and stuff.
Yeah, I think it's the COVID test that's making it longer.
Yeah, I don't know where we're going.
We're just walking around.
This is the, what
Is
it
this the
called again?
solarium?
Solarium, yeah.
Those chairs are lovely.
We're still just walking around. We noticed they're closing every other machine here. Also, we should mention that the crew members wear a mask still, even though we don't have to. We just got our protocols for the rules on board regarding masks and everything like that a week before the cruise.
Yeah.
And then 2 days before, they said we also have to get tested in addition to being vaccinated. So things are changing a lot. So just because our cruise is like this doesn't mean that your cruise will be exactly like this. Things are always changing, like every day.
Stay up to date on Royal Caribbean news and their protocols if anything changes.
And I think every sailing is going to be different too, depending on what state you're sailing out of and stuff like that. So something else that I think is new is you can reserve your show time in the app. I think you actually have to, as a way for them to like social distance inside the theater. Another new thing is we don't have to do the muster drill anymore. So I guess we just look at this information in the app. Oh, it says we have 4 hours left to do it. So we look at this information and then we just go to our station and they scan our card, and I think that's it. And there's no more like all assembling at one time.
I think they're going to teach us some stuff when we're there.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see. Okay, so we finished watching all the videos. So now we go out here. Where's D18? Oh, D18 is right here.
Debriefing?
Yes.
Thank you so much. So this will be your muster station.
Okay, they scanned our cards and that was it.
And now we have this little sticker that says we've done it.
And now we're gonna go on some water slides.
Woohoo! You're going the wrong way.
It's so weird to be here, not on a port, and like this is where we're departing, because like normally this is just a stop on the cruise.
Right, this is your view during your cruise, not on boarding day.
Yeah. We are so ahead of the game. I bet nobody is here yet. We're probably gonna be the first ones on the
slides, which is our next up item.
So we're gonna check out the slides, the pool, maybe the flow rider, and have them all probably close to ourselves.
Today we were able to go on the flow rider, go on the slides, go in the pool, and it was all completely empty. Like we were the only people there.
Only people in line for the slides. I was the only one on the flow rider. They were saying basically I had like a private lesson.
It felt like, so private today. It felt like we were on a private cruise.
I was on the flow rider forever. And then we went into the pool, and then the guy, one of the lifeguards was like, "You're the first people in the pool in 15 months.
It was so crazy. So after all of that, we came back here, we got our bags, we got changed, and now we're ready to go explore the rest of the ship.
We're near the front of the ship now, and we're going to this thing called Peekaboo Bridge, and we're going to look down into the bridge where the captain is, which is really cool.
So cool. Uh-oh. Nobody's there.
Literally no one's there.
Can we walk out to the helipad area?
Oh, we should try that.
We should try that.
Let's go try that. It's almost time for dinner, and we're looking out here at people still coming in, which is crazy because we've had like a full day already.
Completely full. We've been in the pool, we've had ice cream, we've gone down the slides, we've done the flow rider, we had lunch, I've taken a shower, and these people haven't even gotten on board yet.
Also, normally the ship leaves around like 5 p.m.
Yeah.
But for us, it's leaving around like 9 p.m. tonight.
Right.
We're just finding all the cool spots.
Yes.
Now we're coming out to the helipad,
where I will be landing my helicopter.
I've never done this before. This is awesome.
So cool.
And we were just up there, right above the bridge.
Yeah. It says do not climb on railing, but they know that I want to go. I'm king of the world.
So this is the most comfortable I have felt since the start of COVID, for real. Just knowing that everyone around us is vaccinated and tested negative, it's such a great feeling.
It's comforting, and it makes me feel so free, because typically I'm so worried. I'm like holding my breath around other people. So I just feel really, really comfortable and safe.
Yeah. We made our way to the arcade, and we noticed something interesting. They spaced off every machine. Every other machine is unavailable.
Which they did at the casino, but that's fine because those games are all the same.
Yeah.
But these are all different, which...
Yeah, that's pretty weird.
Yeah.
I was wondering, so we asked them, there's going to be 1,000 people on this cruise, and the max capacity for the ship is 3,800, so it's about 25% capacity.
It's crazy.
That's pretty cool.
Light.
It's finally time for dinner, so we're going to see what this process is like. We got our table for 2, and they want us to scan this for the menu. But you already know what you want because you picked out what you wanted like a week ago.
Days ago, for every day of the week.
We both got the same thing. We both got the Southern fried chicken. Looks good.
Bon appetit. So I have never been on a Royal Caribbean ship before, but I have been on Carnival before. And the main difference that I can tell you is that Royal Caribbean's food is so much better than Carnival's food. We just had an amazing dinner, and now we're heading to the 8 o'clock headliner show called Impact, right?
Yeah. Okay, we got our seats. So many seats are blocked off here.
I really like it though, and I like the little reserved seat cover that they have.
Yeah, and they're all like only 2 by 2 available, and then some rows are just completely blocked off.
So after the show, we decided to come out and watch us leave.
Yep, we're sailing right now. It's 9 o'clock. This is super exciting. Oh my God, yeah, we're moving for sure. Oh, this is awesome. There's Nassau at night.
Bye, Nassau at night. We are on our way to a perfect day at Coco Key, Royal Caribbean's private island. We will be the first people there, first guests in over 15 months. Everyone on the island is going to be vaccinated. Everybody's had a negative COVID-19 test, so it's going to be super safe, and we cannot wait. We're so excited.